Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Welcome to another live stream, my friends. I am here. I'm currently short on the market. Let me go ahead and retweet this out right now. I'm short now. Let's go. Come quick live trading. Boom. Let's go, guys. So thank you for being here right now. Just a little bit of update. So we took this 618 short. This is the one we talked about yesterday. So we're in that right now. And let me go ahead. I'm actually doing a recording on SPY, so I can't touch that chart. So let me just duplicate this. Let's go to SPX while we do our analysis here. All right. So come on down, guys. Come on down. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Been having some mic problems, so I hope the mic is okay. Hit me with a 1 if you guys can hear me. And yeah, so here we go, guys. So I'm just gonna do the analysis on SPX because I am recording my screen on SPY. On another monitor here, and I don't want to change the chart. If I change the chart, it's going to mess up my recording. So as you guys know, I'm building a documentary here on all the trades that I've been taking. But right now, guys, so I'm going to draw the fib up for you guys. Go from high to low right here. Double click on that. And don't know why this is okay. Okay, here we go. There we go. So we're good right here. All right. So what I'm hoping for here, guys, is a new low of the day. And we'll be looking to cover some profits once we get into the new low of the day. Let's look at Tesla here. So I wanted to look at Tesla and I want to look at Apple. All right. So Tesla. So this is Apple futures. Put that to the side here as well. Okay, and then move SPY, Apple, Tesla. Here we go. Move these drawings. Go here to the 5-minute. So Tesla, guys, is breaking out here. This is pretty significant. If we look here at this chart, Tesla is actually going up and the market is near lows. So this is very, very interesting to watch here. So let's go ahead and we could look for a potential setup here on Tesla. Hit me with a 1 if you guys can hear me loud and clear. What's going on, guys? Briggs, Dr. D, Anthony, what's going on? Ernesto, Mark, good to see you guys. Who else is in here, guys? Come on down. Come on down, guys. Come on down. All right. So watching here, Tesla, this is very, very interesting here. Okay. So watch this here, guys. So I'm going to drop this fib. So Tesla had a bullish fib this morning. Look at this one. Okay. So here is the morning low to high on Tesla. It pulled back, almost got stopped out. So stop loss is at the swing low, and it's just been ripping ever since. And right over here, guys, we had our Holy Grail pattern. So if you wanted to just take the pattern, there's your Holy Grail entry right above. And that one is working really well as well. SPX, however, is at the lows. SPY is at the lows. That is very, very interesting here. So if we're looking for a bullish trade, guys, here, we're watching Tesla. For a bearish trade, watching SPY. So I am short on SPY from the 618. Let me just show you guys right here. Fibonacci live setups. So we had this leg. I'm going to hit the replay and I'll walk you through what happened this morning. Okay. And then we'll look for some setups here. So this morning, what happened is we had a slight gap up and then we consolidated for a bit. And then this big move came down right here. Okay. So once this came down, okay, you could see that we had made a new low. So what do we do when we make a new low? We go ahead and we draw our Fibonacci. All right. So we're going to go ahead right here, high to low like this, and then let it play through. Just move your anchor down as you go to a new low. Then we popped up here, filled the 618 short at 1135. So I'll go into the Discord here. You can see 1134. SPY full range Fibonacci filled short. So we had a really nice short there. We hit a few targets already on the downside, right? And we'll just fast forward this right now. So looking good right here. I want a new low of the day. How much is Discord? $49.99 a month, brother. It's on the tradingwars.com. Or if you get a book, you'll get 2 months for free, as long as you're watching this video. All right. So interesting here. Tesla, this is just ridiculous here. Let's go down to a lower time frame. What the hell is going on here? Let's go down to like the 2-minute. watch this thing closely. Look at these nirvanas pushing through here. This thing is not slowing down at all. Okay, that is wild. What else do you guys want me to look at? So I also have Apple. Put that over here. So Apple already made a new low of day. Okay, Tesla is literally holding up what's ever left in SPY today. Tesla's holding that up. I'm putting my fibs on SPX because I'm actually doing a recording on SPY for this trade that I'm taking right now. So I can't touch this fib. It's being recorded on another monitor. So I'm just going to leave that. So that's why I'm doing it on SPX, but it's the same thing. All right. All right. So go ahead, comment anything you guys want me to look at right now. So will Tesla reverse? Not sure. We have to look for a pattern, right? We just don't guess, right? We'll look for a pattern. We could look for some type of inside bar, outside bar, some type of pattern. Right now, I don't see a setup, but we could see a setup. We could definitely look for an opportunity. But this thing is ripping here because look at Apple, look at SPY, look at SPX, look at that. All right. I'm short on SPY right now. Yeah, it's a little bit of a false breakout this morning for Apple. All right. Riot, AMD. Yep. All right, let's do that. Let's pull that up here, guys. AMD. So AMD, this is a nice one here. Okay. So we had that low. That's the morning low, 9:30. Bring up this right on the 618 right now. Let's go down to a lower time frame and see how it's reacting here. Okay, inside bar on the 2-minute. You guys want to try this one? Hit me with a 5 if you want to try that. 618. Good call, Dale. Really good. You guys want to try this one here? Let's try this. Tight inside bar right here. I wanted to come back over, have a stop at that inside bar for protection. Very nice play here. This is a good shot. Good risk to reward. Very small bar to risk off of right here, guys. It's a good call, Dale. That one. All right, so looking for that one here. Need to see a break back up through this 618 line right here on the wick of that inside bar. Need to see that break. Otherwise, no trade, okay? So just continuing to wait here. Just going to be patient on that. Not trying to see. So you could see right now it's going down. So I'm not going to take the trade. All right, I need to see it turn and react here. All right, so gonna wait a little bit longer here. Let's see. Okay. Apple was inside week, now short trigger. Should we swing 185? You can. You know, I'm short right now on SPY, SPX. I'm short right now, so I already took this short. I'm sitting in this one, but I think the best, the best opportunity to swing was or short was around 11:30. So we took that one, that short at 11:30 because that was the pullback. Now, if you're shorting, right, you're taking more risk because you're already at the low. You short down here, right? You're at the low, right? So you're kind of overpaying for it, but it can still work, especially if you want to swing. All right, let's see. AMD. So no, AMD, no. Okay, come back to it after. CCJ, not sure what that is. Yeah, I don't really trade these ones, my friends. So I'm not really sure how to trade that. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is at lows, breaking through. Okay, Tesla is the only. So Tesla a little bit. Tesla is the only thing in this crazy bullish trend. Apple, ES, NVIDIA. NVIDIA looking for this gap fill there. Go back to AMD. Okay. So if I'm looking for a long play, want to see this 786. Let me make sure my anchors are right. What's that exact low? 115.68. What is that exact high? 122.12. Right, so let's keep that there. There we go. Let's see what happens at the 786. Okay, it looks like it wants to come down to the 786. Let's see. All right. Yeah, so ES, SPX, SPY, they're all the S&P 500. I am short since 11:35. my goal right now is to break a new low. I'll be looking to take profits. Okay. I'm looking to see if I can find another setup for you guys right now. And we have Tesla here. Oops. We have Tesla here. We have AMD. So let's see. Looking for a pattern. Need to see a pattern here, guys. Just be patient. Don't want to take anything stupid. Or if you're already up on the day, you already made profit, you don't need to risk it back. You know, every Friday, it seems like I've been making profit. But in the past, I've made profit and given it back in the same day because of not being disciplined, not being consistent. Hit me with a four if that sounds familiar. So what I'm trying to do these days, guys, as I mature as a trader, just make sure if you're up on the day, why would you give it back? So size down. If you want to still take a trade, size down. So that way you don't give back the gains. Gains are hard to come by sometimes, guys. All right. Definitely. It's not always easy to make money. Sometimes it's difficult. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. So yeah, so I can't. So normally I do all my analysis on SPY, but I'm doing it on SPX right now. It's the same thing, but SPY, I am recording this trade that I'm taking here, this short. I'm recording this, so I can't move anything on this chart. Okay, because it's recording on another screen, and I'm trying to make a documentary on my day trading journey. Hit me with a 2 if you'd be excited for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll send you guys out that documentary when it's ready. All right, I might just send it to a few, to the subscribers, to the YouTube people, because I don't want people to take it and copy my content and then try to sell it. So not gonna give that out to everybody. Okay. All right, come on. What do we have here? All right, inside bar AMD. Let's give this a shot, guys. Right there, bang, right above there, looking for that. Okay, put that stop loss right there at the low. Let's go. So AMD. Reason I'm looking for potential long here, guys, we are in the Fibonacci golden zone, which is from the 50 down to the 786. Inside bar gives us a nice little confirmation candlestick, but only if it breaks the high will I enter that trade. Hey, what's going on? Glosef, what's going on, my brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Shout out to all the Trading Wars Army members, everyone with a green in their name in the chat. You guys are the reason I do these live streams because of your support. Thank you so much. And let's welcome Glosef TW Army Spy VIP. If you guys are interested in joining, just hit the join button at the bottom of the video. It's $4.99 a month. And I post exclusive swing trades. I post exclusive daily content for the Army members. Okay. So here we go. And I last month I did a seminar as well. So nothing here, guys. Nothing here. Just waiting. There is no look. This is the key with candlestick confirmation. I'll do a little tutorial. Did you notice none of these inside bars high were broken? You could have shorted this if you wanted to, but I'm more interested in looking for. I'm more interested in looking for the 786 here or one of these fib zones. But if you're gonna take this long, it needs to break the high. This is what we call candlestick confirmation. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Hey, NG, what's going on? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my friend. Let's welcome NG in TW Army Spy VIP. Welcome. Lots. Can we get a new low here? I need to lock in some profits on the SPY. Come on down for me, baby. And let's lock in some profits right there. Tesla, big red coming in. This might be, okay, 786. Let's watch this reaction here. Reason I'm kind of looking for a long play here, guys, is because I'm already short over here. So it'd be nice to have a little bit of a hedge. Okay, be nice. Let's see. So we are on the 786 now. There's the 786. So here is the bigger picture. Here was 930. Here was the rally. Back now into the 786. But I need to see something. Okay, I'm not going to take a shot right here without seeing something, some kind of pattern. See, as you can see right here, guys, there is nothing. All of these inside bars did not break to the upside. They broke to the downside. Boom, 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 boom. So just there's nothing here, guys, for a bullish play right now. So just going to have to be patient on that. Tesla, 2 minute. Let's say 1 minute. Okay, that's a nice one there. Holy Grail. Let's go to 5 minute. Okay, let's watch this on Tesla. Let's watch this here, 2-minute chart. Okay, let's watch Tesla as well. Got your new low. Bang, there it is, guys. Keep it coming down. I need a little bit more here, all right, to lock in some profit. Need a little bit more. Come on down, guys. Come down. I want to come right here, right into the 0.169. That's not a Fibonacci level, guys. That's something I created. I like this area here. I would love to see this just push a little bit more, lock in some of that profit right there. Little bit of a doji there. Come on down. So just for those of you who just came in, so I shorted at 1135 using the Fibonacci 618, and I'm trying to cover some profits here into a new low. And I just want to go here and show you guys that. So just show you it's not hindsight. So at 1056, we posted the 618 Fibonacci, and we got filled at 1134. We hit the target, and now the bot is saying home run. So home run means new low of day. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. So this is how I like to do my trading, with the help of the bot and the help of the tools, because it's simple. You get filled short. Here's the first target, second target, home run, bang. Okay. And as those targets are coming in, you can scale out, or you can hold a little piece for a bigger play. All right. All right. So Tesla. All right, let's watch Tesla here. Let's see if this can close with an inside. But this is a nice setup here. Let's watch Tesla on this close right here. Tesla is definitely the most bullish of everything right now. Okay, so let's watch that. All right. See if I can. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. So I would love for that one to close as an inside bar. That would be absolutely beautiful. What do you think about Coinbase? I personally don't trade that. So, you know, every stock, every instrument has a personality. So I wouldn't really be able to tell you. But we could take a look. So if I were trading something like Coin, you can see it's really choppy. But I would use these patterns like the Nirvana and the Holy Grail and just use those patterns, basically. So you can see it looks like it's pretty good with the patterns. So I would just do the candlestick approach. AMD inside bar as well. Very interesting. All right, here we go. Gonna try this one on Tesla. Needs to break right back above that level, or otherwise no entry. All right, hit me with the 5 if you guys think that's a good idea. Let's go for it. Okay, so I need Tesla to break back through this high. The reason that I'm seeing this here, guys, is this long wick. If it does not turn around and break that high, I will not be doing that trade. All right, Google. Sure thing. Google. So Google, very interesting. Already had the bounce off the fib. This is what we're kind of looking for on AMD. See that bounce? So now it's back down here. So the first attempt on the fib is always the best. So that one right there, right? And you can see still rejecting new lows. So nothing really down. Don't want to chase down here for short. So let's go back to AMD. Okay, and Tesla. So I've been saving ourselves here because I'm not taking the trade without the candlestick breaking. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense, right? So see, okay, here's a long opportunity, but if it doesn't break the wick, I'm not in. So that way I protect myself in case it goes to the downside. That's what you call candlestick confirmation. There we go. I think I'm out of the SPY trade. Let me get the profit. Let me ask Derry, my brother. 1 second. Well, it's lagging. Is the microphone okay? I've been having problems with the microphone. Move to 5 if you guys can hear me. Everything's okay. shit sometimes with the internet. Move the 1 or 2. Get to like hard. My back. Move the 1 if I'm back. No. Crappy internet. All right. Hit me with a 5. Am I back? My back, guys? Good? Think I'm good. Give me the 5. You can hear me. Anybody? Okay. All right, guys. I apologize. I haven't been in my home setup in a long time. I've just been traveling. And sometimes I get great internet. Sometimes I get trash internet. So I apologize for that. Anyways, so I think I'm out of this trade. I'm waiting for the broker statement from my brother, but we'll see. Let's continue here. Yeah, so what I was trying to say before we cut off is if you notice, I'm not taking any of, so what I'm looking for here, guys, is called candlestick confirmation, right? So I only want to go long if the wick breaks. You understand what I'm saying? Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. If the wick doesn't break, I don't want to go long. So in this case here, this next candle went down. So I'm not going to take the long entry. That's what you call candlestick confirmation. All right. So in this case, if you want to take the hammer is already filled long candlestick confirmation, but I don't necessarily just trade hammers. I like the inside bars, the outside bars. Those are my favorite. You can see here AMD is reacting at the 786. That's what I thought would happen here. I don't know if it's going to actually be like a big reversal or not, but that's what I thought would happen here. Inside bar here, let's see if we can get another type of pattern. Watching Tesla here as well. Looking for that inside bar. Okay. So let's see if that closes with an inside bar. Okay. All right. So no trade there. Just waiting, guys. So I'm literally pennies away from the target. Let me find the exact target. 1 second. So you guys can send me some energy so I can hit the target. All right. AMD. All right. Let's see if that inside bar can close there, guys. Tesla. Sometimes you got to be patient with these. Nothing. Come on. Give us something. All right. Let's see here. See if that can close inside 20 seconds. Okay. I like this 786 here. All right, let's go for it. Gonna go looking for the long above the break of that bar. Stop loss right at the bottom of the bar. Let's see. On the 786, have an inside bar. Let's try it out here. Okay. So there's that long entry. So 1-to-1 is here. All right. So put that right there. Okay. So kind of hedging myself here because I'm short on SPY, SPX on this chart here, but I'm actually using futures. Do all my analysis on SPY, but because this is being recorded, I can't move this Fibonacci. So let's see here, AMD. Okay, let's see. Hit me with a 5, guys. Send me some power on this trade. Hopefully it's not a fake out. So seeing that, saw the 786 hold here, saw the inside bar. The first one was a great entry. Wasn't in time for that, but let's see if this one can work. I'll have a nice tight stop right there, guys. If this thing just turns around, then just leave, just risk 1 bar off of it. It's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm still in this one here, coming back on me a little bit, but I shorted up here, so I have room to sit through it. Unfortunately, it was pennies away from my target over here. I was not able to catch it. So it would suck if this thing just reversed all the way back up today. That would suck. But anyways, let's see if AMD could get some of that if it does. So when you're taking a trade like this, guys, for me, I went with a bigger target today. But when you look at the bot is very conservative and very good targets, 1-to-1, et cetera, et cetera. 382, 214, new low of day. So that's the way I programmed it. 382 is right here. So that could be your first trim. 214 is down here. Second trim, new low of day, could be out, especially if you're scalping with options, because you don't want to sit through all that chop. Okay, there we go. AMD still alive in this one. It's kind of sad here, guys, because look at Tesla pushing harder. AMD, I'm expecting it to push hard. Look at Apple coming into with that outside bar. Very big, powerful outside bar, low of day right there. SPX moving as well. But there we go. Like, let's see. Come on. Send me some energy, guys. Send me the two in the chat. Boom. If I want to be a little bit more conservative here, let's see. Let me think about this. Gonna pull this one up right 1 tick below the 786. Actually, I'm gonna pull it below this candle right here now. So tightening up the risk here. It is what it is. If it wants to go, I'm here. If it wants to turn around, I'm not gonna be a part of that chop. So that's fine. So this is a way to protect yourself in a trade. Take a trade, guys, and I see another good candle here. This is another little hammer. So I move that stop up to protect myself. Hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. That's what we call candlestick confirmation. Okay. So I'm using the candlesticks to confirm the trade and using that also to protect the trade. It's not perfect. Sometimes you might move it up too quickly and then it might hit it and then might reverse. But at the same time, if you're already up on the day or if you just want to be more conservative, there's no harm in trying to protect yourself. Right? All right, guys, out. Did not last. Good shot here, guys. Too much power to the short side here on AMD. So just gonna walk away from that one. Don't need to risk anything else. So you see how I protected myself here, guys? Not gonna bag hold. Stop was here, moved it up here. Okay, small paper cut. Hit me with a 4 if that makes sense. So it's not always about showing all the winners, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys that. That's how I protect myself on that one. Obviously, the best short of the day was the 618, which we took. So whenever you're near the lows, I always kind of get turned off to short near the lows just because I feel like I'm not getting the best deal. Okay. See if we can find something else, though. What else do you guys have for me in the chat? Send something on. Let's see if we can find something else. Let's go down to the 2 minutes for Apple, ES, Tesla, AMD. So I'm going to get rid of that. Let's go to NVIDIA. Holy grail on NVIDIA. Nice little push up. NVIDIA basically filled that gap it had on the day. See that? Okay. CCJ, yeah, I'm not really familiar with that one, so not gonna take that. Zoom. Yeah, let's look at that. Zoom. That's a very interesting price action. That's a crazy one. Square. There's a lot of chop on that. ES. Well, ES is the same thing. I'm not going to take another trade because I'm already in this one. I'm not going to add another position because I'm already short up here. Just waiting for this one to play out. Mara, let's see that. Yep, so this one is already at lows, so I wouldn't really want to fight that there and look for something. Nice little, looks like it's fibby. So fib from here, 618, you can see it right there. Boom. Then we take it from this anchor down here, another 618. So this one was all 618 all day long. Nice, that's a nice one. Just missed those 618, so don't want to force that. What else do we have? CCL. Carnival. Yep, same thing, low of day. Let's go back to NVIDIA here. Look at Amazon. Amazon, Microsoft. These gaps are still open. Okay, I think this might be my last one here, guys. I'm going to go for this on Tesla. Okay. 13 seconds. Let that close. Looking to go long only if it breaks the high of this bar. Okay. And for targets, I'm going to have to use a multiple layer approach. Depends on how much size, but here we go. Let's watch all of these bodies of these candles. Multiple targets on the way up. So no fill still on Tesla, guys. It doesn't want to break the level. So let's kill it. I'm not gonna enter the trade until it broke that high, but it already broke the low. So I would just wait for something else. Okay. You know what the funny thing is? If I took some of these inside bars and just shorted it, might have been better, but still you could see it's just chop, because even if you try to short this one, it didn't really give you anything. We're in this box right now, right here. It's a box. Within this box, low to high, you can see there is a 618 here right now. That's very interesting. Let's try something here. Let's just watch this. Let's go down to like 30 seconds and see. So here's that fib, low to high, right there in the box. Okay, so let's just watch how it reacts. So look at that 786 coming in there. This is 30 seconds. Just want to watch it. I just want to see how it's reacting at these fib levels. And what's kind of crazy, guys, hit me with a 5 if you agree with me, is if you look the levels, there's always a little reaction. Sometimes it's a massive reaction. Sometimes it's not. But that's a pretty clean reaction there from the 786. And you can already see that big bump. All right, back to the 2-minute. That's what it looks like on a 2-minute chart. That's kind of crazy, right? If you look on a 2-minute chart, you see this doji. You go down to the 30 seconds, you actually see the 786 fill and push higher. And that's kind of crazy. Anybody trade the 30-second chart? Hit me with a 1 if yes. Let's look at AVGO. I don't think I'm fast enough. 30-second is extremely fast. Yep, so this one, a lot of fibs on this one. Go low to high, 618, and then we go high to low. Watch this. Another 618. Very nice. Fibonacci. But those are the two best plays. 618 here, 618 here. Down here, we're kind of like in no man's zone. right? Okay, right here. So debating if I should just call it here, guys. I mean, I'm still short here on futures with the S&P 500. Um, I don't really see anything great. Wanted to do the Tesla trade, but it's not giving me the setup I want. I could have just taken it off the 786, but that is a little bit dangerous knowing that the market is in this downtrend. What do you guys think? Should we call it here? Hit me with a 5 if we should call it here. Hit me with a 6 if you want one more. Let's see. What do you guys think? I'm looking, guys, but not really getting anything. What do you guys say? I don't see the chat moving anymore. Oh, I see it now. Good. Done for the day. Really wanted to find some for you guys today, but let's see. All right, guys, let's call it right here. All right, I'm still gonna hold this short. SPY 618, SPX, ES, whichever instrument you're using, options or futures. Gonna hold that into the close. See if I can get some more to the downside here. Just gonna wrap it up right there, my friends. All right, nothing really. Tried one shot on AMD, didn't work out, and not getting the patterns, kind of choppy. So let's just walk away and take the gains we have and be grateful for the gains. Thank you very much for your time, my friends. Really appreciate you. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com. I do this once a week. We go live. We look for trades. I also go live in the Discord. You can see we took the 618 short together at 11:34. That was the best trade of the day, and that's playing out currently. Check me out at tradingwars.com. For those interested, you can sign up right here, $49.99 a month for the Discord. Or for anyone watching, I'm going to do a special deal I always do for anyone watching the live stream. Instead of getting 1 month for free in the Discord, you can get 2 months plus my indicators, the golden ones and the ones that have the alerts. So, you know, those indicators that I use here, there's ones that with special alerts, you get those for life. With the purchase of any one of my 3 books, this is the Fibonacci book where I go through everything in detail, 50 plus charts, 69 pages. Thank you very much. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again. Take care.